Hi guys, today we'll be creating this flawless makeup because you guys have been asking for a step-by-step routine and I deliver. ቅንድቤን ስሰራ ምንም አይነት product ፊቴ ላይ አላረግም ምክንያቱም ፔንሲሉ grip ስለማያረግ it keeps slipping and sliding and I don't want that. I'm going to start with a bare face, no moisturizer, no nothing. ምንም ነገር ላይ የለም። ድሮ ስጀምር በጣም ብዙ የሆነ እንትን ነበረኝ ምንድነው የሚባለው ቅንድብ ነበረኝ. But I don't have a lot of it now because I think የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ I was young and I was over plucking and now it wouldn't grow back basically. So አሁን እንዴት ነው ማረገው? Oh, by the way የምጠቀመው Refi የሚባል eye pencil from Sephora and this is a bit dark. This is medium brown. መጀመሪያ ከስራ አሰምራለሁ ይሄ እንዳይጠቆር I think እዚህ ጋር በጣም ጫና አልኩትኝ I should have not but you know we'll fix it እና እዚህ ድረስ መጥቼ መስመር አላሰምርም a little bit not a lot አሁንም ቢሆን see that's the gap እዚህ ጋር ቢጠቆር ችግር የለውም እዚህ ጋር ግን ፌድ ያረገ ነው መምጣት ያለበት like the ombre look የሚሉት አለ አይደል እዚህ ጋር ግን እንደዚህ like you go up ወደ ላይ እንደርሳስ እንደ ጻጉር እንደመሳል ማለት ነው I don't know how else to explain it. I hope this makes sense. Next up በኮንሲለር እኔ ፓት ኮንሲለር ነው የሚመቸኝ ቅንድቤን ለማጽዳት ከስር ማለት ነው ታልተቀነደባችሁ ይሄ የኬቨን አኳን what is it in the shade SX08 ይሄ ኮንሲለር በጣም ነው የሚያስፈራኝ it is very full coverage በሚያስፈራ ሁኔታ that sometimes crease ያደርጋል ስለዚህ under eye ላይ አልተጠቀመውም so አሁን ምን ሆነ መሰላችሁ የቅንድብ ማጽጃ ሆነ እና መቼም አያልቅም መቼም ኦኬ so ቀስ ብላችሁ ላይናችሁን ተከትላችሁ የሰራችሁትን ታጸዱታላችሁ ማለት ነው በደንብ ተጠግቻለሁ ከካሜራው hopefully ይታያል you see this እዩት እንደዚህ ነው መነካው that's a lot Okay, ከላይም ከታች ማረግ ትችላላችሁ ግን እኔ ኮንሲለር ከላይ ብቻ ከታች ብቻ ነው ማረገው ከዚህ በኋላ just grab let me see እንደዚህ dense brush ታላችሁ just clean it up መስመሩ ቢኖርም ነጣ ያለው it's okay የኮንሲለሩ ማለት ነው በኋላ ይስተካከላል ብራንዘር ምን ስታረጉ ለጊዜው ድርቅ እንዳይል ግን go ahead and blend it out My face is breaking out because I'm on my cycle. Now you know I'm on my cycle because jore እንዴት እንደቀላዩት. Do you see this? Literally, I'm on fire. My body overheats. Next up, we're going to moisturize. You guys, ይሄ moisturizer መግዛት እንደሰለቸኝ እዩት እንዴት expensive ደግሞ እንደሆነ. ምን አለበት ሌላ alternative ባገኝ ነው. Like I can't stop using it. This is the only one that I use. This is from Tatcha. We have that. Next up, we're going to prime. Prime Maragao Zare by Yummy Skin Universal. This is by Denisa Myrex. A little goes a long way. Like that is enough. Don't overdo it. ዛሬ መጠቀመው ፋውንዴሽን በጣም full coverage ስላልሆነ I'm going to color correct መጠቀመው ደግሞ Huda Beauty full filter in the shade this is mango so a breakout ያረኩበት ቦታ ነው መጠቀመው by the way color correcting ብዙ ማድረግ የለባችሁ ብዙ ስታረጉ you're going to experience a problem basically ምንድነው የሚያደርገው it bleeds through your foundation እና ይታያል We do a little bit under my eye because you know ልጅ ስትወልዱ አትተኙም. That's the best part about having a kid. Oh, by the way, እንዳለ color correct አፌ ጋር ማረገው if you're like a woman of color by nature እዚህ ጋር ሌላ color ነው ያለን ጠቆር እንላለን. It's just not me. Majority of the people are like that. I'm trying to cover this blemish ከዛ under eye blend አድርጌ I'm going to put a concealer on it. Now that I'm fully blended ማለት ነው, I'm going to use a setting powder to set this. ምክንያቱም ቀጥታ ፋውንዴሽን ታረኩበት ይቀላቀላል. setting powder will be more like ምንድነው የሚያደርገው set ያደርገዋል, and then it would be a barrier between the color corrector and the foundation. ዛሬ የምጠቀመው setting powder is the Pat Mcgrath, and this is medium 3. I should have gotten medium 2 because this is a bit yellower. Again, it's on the finer side, so ችግር የለውም. Not the right brush for this, but I don't feel like getting up and doing anything right now. ስንት ሰዓት እንደፈጀብኝ እዚህ ጋር ለመቀመጥ ራሱ you don't understand. I know, okay? እንትን ሆኛለሁ ኡምፓ ሉምፓ orange person ሆኛለሁ, ግን that should be fixed soon. ከአይኔ ስር ብዙ ፕሮዳክት ማድረግ አልፈልግም ምክንያቱም it increases the chance of creasing. crease ማድረግ concealer የለም, but excessively crease ማድረግ ግን ደስ አይልም. so ዛሬ መጠቀመው the Pat Mcgrath M15 concealer. it's my favorite. ይሄ ነገር it never let me down. While my concealer is drying, I'm going to use Danessa Myricks contour. Hey, ስሙ ምንድን ነው? I have no clue. ይቅርታ ተሰምቶኛል. But basically, I'm going to bronze a little bit. ጆሬ ምን ሆኖ ነው እንደዚህ ቀላው ወጌታ? Do you see this? I swear, sometimes እንደዚህ ነው. እንደተበላሸ engine ነው overheat ማረገው. Hey, technique, by the way, it's called underpainting. So you don't end up using, you know, አሁን ከዚህ ከኖርማሉ በጀመር መጀመሪያ እንዳለ ሙሉ ፋውንዴሽን አርጌ ላዩ ላይ ኮንሲለር አርጌ ከዛ ላዩ ላይ ኮንቱር አርጌ ይሄ ግን it kind of like makes you use less product but it makes your face look flawless. I think I should be able to blend ከዚህ በኋላ ኮንሲለር መጀመሪያ coverage the highest እዚህ ስር ስለምንፈልግ everything እዚህ ስር ነው blend የምናደርገው እና usually alternate between this eye and this eye. So when you blend your concealer ወደ ላይ kind of gives your eye a lifted look. Like I don't know if you can see this but this side like my eyes look lifted, right? ከዛ ልክ አይናችሁን የላኛውን blend ስታረጉ what you need to do is kind of look up. ኃጢያታችሁን እግዚአብሔርን ወደ ላይ ስታዩት እንደምታዩት look up. I'm sorry, ኃጢያት የለባችሁ ምን ቦታችሁ እናንተ። Finally foundation ላይ ደርሰናል። ዛሬ የምጠቀመው the Tatcha Major Skin Hydro Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation, and this is what it looks like. This is this packaging is giving luxe, and this is in the shade Golden Peach 17. So according to the website Patrick Tam ምንድነው የሚለው go ahead and saturate your brush, then just tap on it ምንም ድራግ የሚያስደርግ ጉዳይ የላችሁ then lightly into like contour like ሂዱበት because you don't want it to look like ቀጥ ያለ መስመር ላያችሁ ላይ right the whole point is for everything to be blended እዚህ ጋር ማየው መስታወት ስላለኝ መስኮት እላለሁ ደፋር ነው እንዴ I think I'm okay with adding a little bit more ቀድም color correct እዚህ ጋር ስላረኩኝ So now that we have everything blended, the next step is to use a blush. Okay, going to blushes, Rare Beauty. ሁለት ይዤ መጣው ለምን እንደሆነ አላውቅም. I want like this, an ombre effect. I think መጀመሪያ ፊት ለፊቱ ላይ happy እጠቀማለሁ ከዛ በኋላ love ደግሞ more like to blend it out. That's a lot of blush. ድፍረት ይባላል ይሄ ነገር. Let me go ahead and blend it because this is really pigmented. I don't want to do this. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay. Oh no, it's not. It's fine. It's fine. I thought ያበዛሁት መስሎኝ ደብሮኝ ነበር ነው የሚባለው. I think I'm going to leave it like this because this is cute. We like this. Okay, አሁን we can set our eyes because what if ቅድም የሆነ ነገር ማስተካከል ቢኖርበት concealer-ና ምንድነው blush መለያየት አይችልም. So go ahead and blend everything out. መጀመሪያ you know ምንም አይነት separation of classes መኖር የለበትም. Okay, set my under eyes. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade Honey. Is it Honey? Is it Honey? Translucent Honey. They get very creative with their name. So, Sephora powder puff. Press a little bit. Make sure እጃችሁ ላይ smooth አርጉት. And then look up again as if you're praying ለኃጢአታችሁ and set. See? Again, repeat the process for the other eye. Remove the excess powder. Look up and go ahead and set. ይሄንን ከቱቶሪያል አይታችሁ አልገባኝም ሜካፕ እንዴት እንደሚሰራ ታላችሁ I'm fighting you. I'm really fighting you. By the way, ይሄንን ማጸዳው እንትን eyeshadow ላረግበት ነው. I'm not like really an eyeshadow person, but today we're going to do a very quick and simple one. ለኔ ቀላሉ eyeshadow color brown ነው. Very easy. ዛሬ I'm using the one size Patrick Star Visionary eyeshadow palette and የመጀመሪያው የምጠቀመው is soft serve. So soft serving, you grab a little bit, you dust and then እዚህ ክሪሳችሁ ላይ ከክሪሳችሁ ወደ ላይ actually you kind of blend it. Feel free to go ቅንድባችሁ ጫፍ ድረስ but make sure it's blended. Next up ትንሽ ጠቆር ያለ I'm going to use brownie. Trust me, ይሄ step በጣም sharp በሆነ pointy ትንሽ brush ነው መደረግ ያለበት. But again, I don't feel like I'm getting another brush. So I'm going to use my Scott Barnes in number 62. Like literally ትንሽ እንትን ያረኩት አሁን ግን ከቦናችሁ ስር ነው የምታረጉት ይሄንን color. On top of that, like make a tiny wing. እዚህ ጋር ብቻ ካይናችሁ ምንድነው What do you call this? ይሄ part እዚህ ጋር ብቻ ነው የምታረጉት. I don't know what we call this part of the eye በአማርኛ so የምትፈልጉት የጥቁረት ምንድነው level ላይ ሲደርስ ኮርነሩ ማለት ነው grab a shimmery shade እኔ ዛሬ የምጠቀመው walnut strut okay let me add more see now there's like a disconnect between the shimmer and the black eyeshadow that we used the dark brown so ቅድም የወሰድነውን ሼድ ወስደን ማለት ነው ላይ መሃል ላይ ማገናኛ እናደርገዋለን again I should have used a more thinnish brush but I have no shame in life that I'm doing this አይኔ ላይ ማስካራዬን በኋላ ጨርሳለሁ መጀመሪያ ሊፕ ላይነር እዚህ ጋር ስላገኘሁት whatever is here we're going to continue ምንድነው this is limitless brown every time የምጠቀመው ሊፕ ላይነር ነው እኔን መጠየቅ ሊፕ ላይነር ምንድነው ብሎ I'm so boring this is the only thing that I use that and Sephora molasses color no by the way actually I'm going to use the shade እንትን ምንድነው የሚባለው love as the lipstick ooh that is pretty that is the blush by the way I love it my god okay ይድረቅ bear with me we're almost done in the meantime in between time we could do our cool so let's do this This is called tight lining. See the difference between this and this eye? Okay. Next up ቀድም የተጠቀምነውን የመጀመሪያ የተጠቀምነውን brown shade እንትን እንላለን ከስሩ እናደርገዋለን a little bit nothing crazy Look how amazing this mascara is gonna come in. Oh, that was close. Ooh, like the moment you go to the base the base of the lash, volume ታገኛላችሁ but sometimes it gets really close and blink ስታረጉ ማስካራችሁ ፊታችሁ ላይ ሊሄድ ይችላል ነካሁት ፊቴን ግን ሲደርቅ አነሳለሁ ችግር የለም okay this is the final look I hope you guys enjoy creating this with me thank you for watching I'll catch you on my next video till then be good do good darlings bye